kettle cried before you did. Steam on the glass like something being taken. You called me darling boy through the drug-thick hush, still correcting my grammar between earthquakes of breath. Your quilts folded like old winters, heavy with the names of the ones who didn't outlast you. And I leaned in the door frame as if posture itself could deny what's coming. The nurse changed the violet, said she admired how long you hold on. You pressed my wrist and whispered, write this down, as if survival were a craft you were passing. There hangs the rosary, the shoes you will never lift. Yet you asked whether I had eaten, still mothering with a body almost empty. You said, oh my darling boy,
run, wanna kill myself now.
oh my darling boy,
My money's begging for you to stay awake and stay alive. I know
you'll be summer in the sky. I know I can see heaven in your eyes. Oh, my darling boy. You made me promise to release you when the clock insists on closing what it owns. But love is not a student of clocks. It refuses instruction, keeps what it chooses. They speak in numbers, blood and breath, measuring how near the finish is. But memory has no polite exit. It roots like winter rye beneath the snow. So I am already keeping you in a room of my ribs, with the light left burning, your voice shelved beside the tea kettle. The hymns you hummed into the linen air. Years from now, when my hair goes white, I will still recite the weather of this night, the clink of spoons, the narrowed sky, and how I disobeyed you at the end. You said, oh my darling boy,
wanna kill myself now.
oh my darling boy,
Stay awake and stay alive.
I know I'll be summer in the sky.